Welcome to my channel, viewers. I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah Almighty. So today in this video you will get very beautiful and very stylish, very latest and very unique ladies fingers rings collection with different style. This is very beautiful, very fabulous party wear, function wear and wedding wear hand accessories collection for girls. I hope you will like this video. So watch this video completely so that you can get idea through this video. Stay tuned with us and keep watching this video till the end, because very beautiful, very stylish and very fabulous hand accessories, hand rings, finger rings and nail shapes, nail collection and different styles of nails you will get from this video. So stay tuned with us and keep enjoying this video. If you are new in my channel, I request you please subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon. If you will not press on the bell icon, you will not get any update or any kind of notification from this channel. What kind of fashion related content do you want to see in my next video? Please tell us, we will try to upload that videos and that content according to your choice. And if you did not subscribe to my channel, so I request you again, subscribe to my channel so that you can get our daily update, and must press on the bell icon. Bell icon button is given near to the subscribe button. Please share this video with your friends, and for more latest collection you can visit my channel, because in my channel you will get everything related to fashion and style. So if you have no idea about fashion and style, so after subscribing to my channel you will get much more fashion related content, and you will be able to understand that what kind of fashion is in or what kind of fashion is out. So please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to share this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep visiting my channel on daily basis. Thank you again for watching this video. Allah Hafiz, and take care of yourself.